So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to start setting up our sort of what I call home page. This is our main page where they access all the different sections. So this is what I've set up as my home page. This banner at the top, a little bit of an intro, and then the buttons that take you to each food page. Now what I need to do is this is going to be an image at the top of my page. So once I've set it up, I'm going to do Windows Shift S. Obviously on Mac, you'll need to do the correct combination, which I can't think of right now. Take a print screen. Control V down here to paste. Click Save As Picture. Now what I've done is I've already set myself in my pictures. I've already set myself up a folder called App Inventor, and I've actually got I've created my home banner already. Okay, so that's my home banner. I think I also want to have this little welcome box. So Windows Shift S. And start all the way from below the next section, just so we get a bit of space. And I think I'm going to go to about there. Again, I'm just going to go down here, Control and V to paste. And you can see I've grabbed a bit of the top bit. I don't want that, so I'm going to just crop that out of there. Perfect. Right click, Save As Picture, Home, Text, Save. Right, now let's get started with App Inventor. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put my image up the top. So I might use a layout here, go horizontal arrangement, and then I'm going to just put my image straight in there. So I just picked it up, drag and drop. Now the properties obviously are for this image. So the width is actually I'm going to fill parent. Parent is this screen here. I'm going to go fill parent, okay. And obviously what picture? We're going to upload a file, choose file, home banner, open, okay. It's just going to, because I had a home banner and they're just going to place it. And there we go. Our first thing is on our page. We don't want it to be rotated or anything. We want it to be visible. And that is done. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to rename this to home banner. Because it makes it easier later on. That's my first thing. Now let's put in that text box we did earlier, which is obviously also an image. In fact, my layout, I probably should have chosen a different one. But anyway, let's drag and drop my image in. This time I'm not using any layout. Again, I'm going to go with fill parent. Picture is going to be upload file, the home text. And that's on there. And the final thing we need to do is start adding our buttons. Now this one I am going to use this layout, and I'm going to use a vertical scroll. Okay, so to add a button, pick it up here, drag and drop it, and you're going to follow this down. So I do want it to be black, and we can change the font size when we see it. The width, I think I'm going to go fill parent, full width. No image on there. You can choose the shape if you want to. So the text is going to be, okay, this is going to be the breakfast one. I want it centered. And the text color, let's choose yellow. Now, if you didn't want yellow, if you had actually chosen a specific color, you can click on custom after that and you can type in, if you know the HTML code. Sorry. You can actually play with your colors here a little bit to try and get the same matching one as that. The background color, sorry, I want it as black. Because I haven't set this scrollable, I'm going to go fill parent with this again, and then it goes the whole way across. Now you're just going to do the same thing over and over again for all the different sections. So text for button 2, you're going to go through, again, you're going to set this one, it'll be meal same mains. You just try and make sure you pick the same color for each of them. And again with fill parent. Okay, so just go through, create the buttons. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually link them together.